Hey guys, Chill Alex here. Welcome back to another video. This is my first snow video, and here I am in Philadelphia, PA, where I am being bombarded by all this snow. Just look at that, if you can see. Snow is coming down very quickly, and a big question remains: is it going to succeed and be in the #1 most deadliest snowstorm here in the Middle States? Well, I'll keep you updated, but the question will be answered by the end of Saturday. So at the end of Saturday night, which is today, check your local news station and see, did it succeed? All right, well, here I am in this storm. I'm broadcasting it here in Philadelphia. Many people are staying home this Saturday. A big snowstorm is hit. I don't see a lot of people or kids going down to sled on mountains. Let's see. That's usually where most kids go, and I don't see a single kid. So this might be a very deadly snowstorm, and you can hear winds picking up. Trees, the houses are being lit up, so people are not lit up, but there's a snow plow. People are staying home. I meant they are turning on their lights, they're staying home, watching TV, sleeping, but they're definitely not going outside where I am right now. It is just a massive snowstorm, and I will keep you updated a lot, but I know most of you are like, wow, look at that. This snowstorm might have what it takes to, pass #1, which was, I believe, 30 inches. I'm not positive on that. But just look at that. Cars are being, hit by this snowstorm. And it's a good thing that the news stations have been telling people to stay home, because this is a deadly snowstorm and can cause a lot of diseases, mainly hypothermia, probably, or sicknesses like the flu, because it is just wild. I am ducking. My hat I'm ducking in my jacket. As you can see, wind levels are raging right here, and it doesn't look like it's going to get any better as the blizzard warnings continue here live in Philadelphia. People are just staying home. As you can see, massive snow is coming down, winds up to 50 miles per hour. Man, that is some snowstorm, gusts of wind. Look at that. Man, I sure do not want to be out here, but it is just amazing. Man, it is just wild here in PA. It is just wind. It's gusting everywhere. Snow is coming down pretty fast. It's accumulating very fast. So we are advise you to stay home, and please turn up the heat, because this is one cold storm. It is -3 degrees Celsius, and with the wind gust and the wind chill, it is 14 degrees, as I have heard. But oh my God, it is just incredible snowstorm. It is just an incredible snowstorm, as you can see. Incredible. As you can see, there's a local truck driver driving in the snowstorm as it occurs. All right, well, yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time.